innovative technology that's ready now. New solutions to industry challenges. Let's take a closer look. New technologies and approaches are critical to unlocking marginal field developments through renewable energy. Access to sustainable, low-carbon energy for powering fields is key, harnessing the North Sea's wealth of renewable energy resources. Understanding and mapping these resources to meet specific asset, field or reservoir location is vital, but hasn't been available previously. Aquaterra's RadMap mapping system is a risk-based decision tool which identifies key renewable resources across the UKCS, including wind, wave, tidal and solar. These resources are mapped to known marginal fields, identifying natural power source at location. The system can be customised to model bespoke criteria, including the optimal natural resource for each well or area. A range of energy solutions, including tiebacks, wind farms and cables from shore, are then identified and expanded to consider subsurface characteristics, logistics and overall field development economics. Ultimately, RadMap provides a single-point tool for determining both the economic and technical viability of energy solutions. By replacing umbilical power supply from host platforms with alternative energy resources, the industry can harness renewable power to improve economics and reduce offshore emissions, saving around £2 million in capital expenditure per deployment, or £145 million if applied to 20% of UKCS marginal developments. The inspection of caissons and conductors is a key integrity issue for the oil and gas industry, costing an estimated £78 million to the UK continental shelf annually. Inspection in the splash zone, the area immediately above and below the sea level, is very difficult to access, particularly 5 metres above and 10 metres below. Conventional methods rely on a combination of divers, remotely operated vehicles and associated support vessels. However, these can be expensive and carbon intensive due to the range of offshore logistics and personnel required. TrackTech tool is specifically designed to remove risk and increase efficiency when carrying out inspection and cleaning activities in the splash zone. Locally deployed and remotely operated from the platform, it can be configured to all types and sizes of caissons and conductors. The unique table inspection platform allows increased coverage, resulting in a better quality of wall thickness data to monitor and manage asset integrity. This new approach removes the need for offshore divers, ROVs, and dedicated support vessels, increasing safety and reducing cost. Traditional inspection campaigns can last up to 30 days, costing around £100,000 per day. The TrackTech tool is deployed at just £4,000 per day and requires no dedicated support vessel. Overall, it has the potential to save the UKCS industry around £75 million annually and reduce offshore carbon footprint. Remote power is strategically important to the UK offshore oil and gas industry. It can reduce the dependence on existing facilities, improve the viability of marginal developments, and provide a power source for monitoring, control, and surveillance technologies. Achieving this in a low-carbon, sustainable way is critical to supporting the industry's transition to a net-zero hydrocarbon basin, and why alternative technology solutions are needed to achieve this. Field-trialled and proven in the offshore environment, Xnix has developed hot rings, a thermoelectric energy scavenging collar, suitable for both subsea and topsides, that generates distributed power. Using a combination of existing heat exchanger, heat-to-power converter and battery technologies from other industrial sectors, Hot Rings harnesses the heat of hydrocarbon production fluids to power subsea wellhead controls and sensors, which reduces the need for external power sources and umbilicals, thereby reducing the cost of marginal developments. A bank of units could support mature field developments without the need for additional power generation sets, providing a zero-emission, retrofittable power source that enables additional instrumentation and control. This innovative, alternative power source has the potential to reduce dependence on expensive umbilicals, decrease power requirements from host platforms for new developments, and enable remote monitoring and control. Removing the need for a new umbilical saves £700,000 for every kilometre installed and reduces carbon emissions by approximately 100 tonnes for every kilometre. Three technologies ready now. What's stopping you?